The world of recruiting has changed dramatically over the last few years, thanks in large part to the rise of artificial intelligence, AI. From sourcing candidates to screening resumes and conducting interviews, AI is transforming the way companies find and hire talent. In this article, we'll explore the impact of AI on recruiting and some of the latest trends and insights in this exciting field. Sourcing candidates. One of the biggest challenges in recruiting is finding the right candidates for the job. Traditional methods such as job postings and referrals are often time-consuming and can yield limited results. With AI, however, recruiters can leverage data analytics and machine learning algorithms to identify and target the most qualified candidates. AI-powered recruitment tools can scour social media sites, professional networks, and other sources to identify candidates who match specific job requirements. This can save recruiters time and money, while also improving the quality of candidates they attract. Screening resumes. Another way that AI is transforming recruiting is through resume screening. Traditionally, recruiters would manually review every resume that came across their desk, a process that is both time-consuming and prone to human error. With AI, however, recruiters can use machine learning algorithms to automatically screen resumes and identify the most qualified candidates. AI-powered recruitment tools can also analyze resumes for keywords, work experience, and other factors to determine which candidates are the best match for a given position. Conducting interviews. AI is also transforming the way companies conduct interviews. For example, chatbots can be used to conduct initial screening interviews, asking candidates a series of predetermined questions to assess their qualifications and fit for the role. This can save recruiters time and improve the overall candidate experience by providing a more streamlined and personalized interview process. AI-powered interview platforms can also analyze a candidate's facial expressions, tone of voice, and other nonverbal cues to gain deeper insights into their personality and behavior. Trends and insights. As AI continues to evolve, there are several trends and insights that are shaping the future of recruiting. One trend is the rise of AI-powered diversity and inclusion tools. These tools use machine learning algorithms to identify and eliminate bias in the recruiting process, helping to ensure that companies are building diverse and inclusive teams. Another trend is the increasing use of AI in employer branding. AI-powered recruitment tools can analyze a company's online presence and social media activity to identify areas for improvement and suggest strategies for improving employer branding. This can help companies attract and retain top talent, while also enhancing their reputation in the marketplace. Finally, there is a growing need for human oversight and intervention in the recruiting process. While AI can automate many tasks and streamline the recruiting process, it cannot replace the human element entirely. Recruiters and hiring managers must still be involved in the process to ensure that AI-powered tools are being used effectively and ethically, and to make final decisions about which candidates to hire. In conclusion, AI is transforming the world of recruiting, from sourcing candidates to conducting interviews and beyond. As AI continues to evolve, recruiters and hiring managers must stay informed about the latest trends and insights in this exciting field to remain competitive and effective. By embracing AI-powered recruitment tools and using them responsibly, companies can improve the quality of their hires, enhance the candidate experience, and build diverse and inclusive teams that drive business success.